Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited today. I have a new box to introduce to the channel, the Journal Junk Box. So let's get in here and let me tell you all about it. If you guys have watched the channel, you know I have said probably too many times, I love to write things down. I know that the world has gone new tech and everybody's all about notes apps and everything else like that, but I still make all of my notes on paper and pens. I just lifted that, but I could lift this whole pile over here too. I love to journal. I love to make notes. I like to remember things. I still use a calendar because I like to be able to look back and see that I watched the kids and what we did. I like notes. I still like cards. I love to send cards. It's who I am. This box, which on the side says the Journal Junk Box, reached out to me. They did send this to me free for review, but when they reached out and said, would you like to open this box? I was like, yes, I would. I am all about stationery type items. And this has so much more in it than just stationery, but Journal Junk Box, immediately that's what you think is stationery. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on and read to you a little bit about this because I don't want to miss any part of it. This is the box, but they also have a Journal Junk sack, which has some of the same items. It's just a smaller sack, and that is $30.95 per month. This one is $53.95 per month, but if you are in the US, that does include free shipping. They will ship to Canada. You find out at checkout what the shipping will be for you if you're in Canada. It arrives generally the 3rd to the 5th of each month, and it has a value of over $75. And I thought this was really interesting because I have watched a couple unboxings of this and I have thought that would make such a good gift, or oh my gosh, I bet my mom would like that. If you choose both the Journal Junk Sack and the full-size Journal Junk Box, you can get both monthly for $71.95, which I know that's a little more than your average subscription box, but in theory you're getting two and you'd have stuff to gift. I keep a really good gift closet going. Each box is packaged with journals, office supplies, stationery, and more products to pamper yourself. Okay, I've talked about it enough. I'm anxious to get in here and see. I believe this is the March box. It is. Meet Me in Paris. And I think if you order now, you will actually get the April box. This is the Journal Junk Box, and then that is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It looks like it's really well protected in here. So I think all you're gonna see, yeah, is squigglies, but that's awesome because that means it's all really well protected. So we're gonna dig into this. And just for the record, since it's my first month, I don't know if it's always how it is, but this box came protected in a plastic outer bag, which I love because my mailman, even though I have a front porch, will happily set it in my walkway. We have a new mail person. This says, the Journal Junk Box. Thank you. Your support makes our heart happy. Your order made our day. We hope this package makes yours. And you can go to journaljunkbox.com, which, brings me to a really, really important part. I will put the link below, and they have given me a code, Kathrin Love. How cute is that? I love that code. That will get you 15% off your first box. You can follow them on Insta, on Facebook. I'll put all their information down below for you. And then this is, March is Meet Me in Paris. That sounds really cool. It says this month, should I put it here so you can see the prettiness of it? This month we're traveling to Paris. As they say, Paris is always a good idea. Oh, I have to quit reading. I didn't realize. It's then gonna tell us the products that we received and their value. Fantastic. We're just digging into this. I'm gonna move some of these squigglies and we are just going to dive right in. What is this? This is not journaling. Can you guys tell how happy I am? I love journaling things. I love writing things down, like pens and paper and stationery cards and just planners. I've told you guys in the past, I use several planners because I have a planner for my day-to-day life. I have a planner for my YouTubing. Anyway, let me know below if you're that type too. There's still gotta be a bunch of us out there. What is this? Inside this box, you saw how many squigglies were in it. Inside the bubble wrap, and now inside here, and it's a cup. Oh, it's a teacup. That is beautiful. It's got roses on it. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. You guys know I love tea. From brew tea to a tea. That is so, I will love that. I should bring it up here, and as we do unboxings, we should take a tea time. Everybody grab a snack and a cup of tea. Actually, today, coffee. Next time, tea. I just cannot get over how pretty this is. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna have to try and convince my mom not to watch this box because the minute she sees this, she's gonna love it. I was looking for it on here to read to you guys about it, and it says, enjoy afternoon tea, floral teacup, and saucer set, and it's only $12.99. I would have guessed it would be more than that, but since we know there's a saucer, I had to go diving for it. I'm gonna be so fancy. This makes me want to add a tea subscription back to the channel. It matches the cup, but it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. How fancy am I? That is so, oh, she would be so pretty. I'm putting it back here. That would be so pretty just as decor. I love that. It just says, enjoy an afternoon tea, floral teacup and saucer, $12.99 value. I don't think you could even go to Home Goods and necessarily get a cup and a saucer for less than that. How pretty, like if you could do so many things with that. If you don't drink tea, I have been looking for something to, in a window, do herbs. You could put an herb in that and it would be, I'm just saying, there's more than just tea that could be had in that cup. And then more protection. This was shipped so impeccably. I dug through and got everything else out because it was so well protected. Next out, we had a memo pad. Awesome. I was just showing you guys at the beginning of this. I use memo pads, like I made my notes for this on a memo pad. I do grocery lists constantly. I write so much stuff down. This is really perfect. And it says journal junk box at the bottom, and it's got pretty flowers all around it. Memo, you could make a note about what kind of memo it is. I love this, can you tell? This will absolutely get used. I will make lots of notes. Next out, we have a card. It's got tea. It's got tea in it. It says, tea time in Paris, always in fashion. Stash, and I have a wild raspberry hibiscus tea in that. Let's take it out of here. When we take it out, we have the card and an envelope. The inside of the card is blank. So you could do anything you want with it. You could do a thank you or a birthday card, anything you like. Living in Paris was a crash course in chic. Rebecca Romaine said that. And just for the record, this is from the Creative Idea Shop. That is super creative, really pretty. I love the idea of the hibiscus tea. Next we have, I think they're stickers. Are they stickers? That is what they look like. Let me check the paperwork. Yes, have yourself some journaling fun. Paris sticker pack by Journal Junk Box, $8 value. If I used to scrapbook. I used to scrapbook so much. I have books and books of scrapbooking. I'm not real sure. I think probably just time started getting away from me. Life got in the way. I'm taking them all out. There are so many of these. If you do scrapbooking or anything like that, I know some people that just do, like I do planners. They buy empty planners without a lot of decoration in them, and they decorate each upcoming week. But we have like heart balloons and macaron, mon amour. Oh, look how cute. It's a big one. What is this? Pretty bicycle. This would make, with spring, this is perfect. I guess springtime in Paris is our theory. Looks like it's a map. Macaron again. Love a macaron. Cute little hat box. The Eiffel Tower. Could it get more quintessentially Paris? There are just so many. Those are super cute. I love journaling stuff. Next out, I don't know what we have. Let's see. We have some twine and, oh, gift card, not gift cards, gift tags, gift tags. We have 3 different gift tags and the twine to tie them with. I will use these. I have been following on Insta. Oh, what is the name? I will try and let you know below. I think Effective Spaces. I'm pretty sure that's the name of the site. She does the most interesting gift wrap. And I noticed that primarily she does a lot of it with single colors as opposed to prints. And like if you did a pretty little pink, the things that she can do to make gift wrap look amazing, it's incredible. So I'm trying to learn that. So that with this tied on would be perfect. Next out, the prettiest little scissors you've ever seen. This box just keeps on keeping on. They look like the little ones that my mom uses for her knitting projects, but you could just use them to, you can cut whatever you want to cut. Cut coupons with them if you want. You would just be fancy cutting your little coupons. Those are super cute. Get crafty. Vintage mini craft scissors. Don't let the tiny size fool you. $8.99 value. Oh, and the gift tag set had a $7.99 value. Okay, next out we have this. What is this? Unlock Adventure. Key to My Heart Gel Pen. $5.99 value. It is. It's a pen. Let's write with it and see how we do. Ooh, it writes really nicely. That was a tiny little tip. Did you guys notice that? But it just right away wrote my name just so easily. I love that. You could put like, and wear it if you wanted. That would be so handy. Just hang it somewhere. Like, where's my memo pad? Wherever you put your memo pad, if you had somewhere to hang this right next to it, that would be so handy. And it's really light. I like that a lot. I think it wrote in black. Let me double check. It is written in black. Next out, yeah, still going. We have this. I think it is a spoon to go with our tea set, I bet. It's a sweet little spoon. And there's a treat, I think, in the bottom of the bag. Let me dig that out. Oh, we have a little Biscoff cookie. How cute is that? So this was in there like that. This will be so fancy to stir our little tea with in our cup. These are best dunked into your tea. Lotus Biscoff caramelized biscuit cookie and teaspoon. And this is just a free gift in the box. This isn't, I guess, considered one of the products. It's new to me, so I don't know how often they do that. But that is super fun. You could just, your little tea, and look, it has, to show you this up close. That is so cute. Relative to the size of my hand. Perfect for tea. Next out, we have some Jolie's Boutique seals. So you would just put these, how cute is that? I will probably use them with birthday cards just to seal the back. I love the way that looks. Seal a letter to a friend. Parisian round letter seals, set of 8 by Jolie's Boutique, $6.99. And if you're still scrapbooking, these would also be super cute in a scrapbook. I love that. We have the Eiffel Tower on some and fleur-de-lis on others. All right, still a couple more. We have the Park Lane double-ended highlighters in pastel. So we have 6 highlighters. It says it has a $5.99 value. This is what they look like. This is the orange one. Oh, that's interesting. Can you see that it's like, maybe like this, perfect. It's not solid, it's like, how in the world? We're gonna try it in a second. And the other end would be the one that you like write with. So let's see if I can get this to show. Let me try it. What is darker? Probably the purple is the darkest. I finally worked out how to get them all out. I was having a hard time getting them all out. Okay, all right, you guys might be able to see this one. I went back and forth just a couple of times, and there you go, perfect. I like in my planners, I plan weeks out in advance, and sometimes things change or I'm afraid I'm gonna forget something. That's very me. So if I've written it in my planner weeks in advance, when we actually get to the week that it's happening, I will go through with a highlighter and highlight the things that I wanna be sure and my eyes to go to directly each day. So these will be perfect for that. I believe last, we have a really pretty notebook, and you guys know, I love notebooks. It's Meet Me in Paris with the Eiffel Tower and all of the pretty florals. The back is purple. It says Journal Junk Box, so they must do some of their own printing. That is what the inside pages look like. And this says Meet Me in Paris Journal by Journal Junk Box, $18 value. Okay, so in the March box, there was the teacup and tea saucer, plus we got this cute little teaspoon and Biscoff cookie, so perfect little snack. That's so pretty. The Meet Me in Paris notebook, the highlighters to highlight the important parts, the cute little seals to seal your envelopes, or I will probably use it more in a greeting card type situation. Back in the day, I would have used the heck out of these in my scrapbooking. Sweet. This is, I love this cute little pen. I'm gonna find somewhere to hook it that's very handy so that everybody else can't just wander off with it. You know what I'm saying. We have the Memo notebook, very handy. I love that the lines on these are far enough apart that you can actually make some notes. When they're really light and really close together, I have to write things bigger. If I don't have my glasses on and they're not huge, I can't see them. We have our 3 little tags for gifting, like gifting tag, although you could use them forever. Like if you had a bottle of wine that you just wanted to put a little, you could write a little note on the back. We received these stickers. I mean, this box keeps going. These adorable little scissors and the Paris greeting card, because since it's blank inside, you can use it for whatever you want. So you could take your card, write your message in it, and use one of your seals on the back of it. We've already multitasked. This was so adorable. I went out and looked at the website, went to other people's unboxings to see how it came each month, and when they reached out and said, would you like to try this? I said, absolutely. I wanted to be able to show it to you guys because I think this is super cute. It is $53.95 per month. I will put the link below with my code, Kathrin Love. I love that link. It will get you 15% off your first box. Let me know what you guys think below, and thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys. I gotta go make some tea.